Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, so I'm looking here inside the Briarly. What a really good looking lounge. This is awesome. So we've walked in, this is the lobby. Really pretty, it's kind of got modern, darker colors. It's a really cool area. This floor is, wow, this is a really expensive floor. It's really, really nice. So we're gonna start over here and just kind of walk so you can see this. So the leasing center is over here, and then over here, and then over here is just kind of some lounge areas that you can sit and just kind of wait for people and relax. So that's here. You can see over here there's a pool. So pool that's over here. There's a courtyard that we'll try to get a video of as well, and that's over there. And then over here, we're going to go explore the lounge, the full lounge. So we walk through here. Again, that was the door. We walk through here, and this is what it looks like in the lounge. So the lounge is pretty cool. It looks kind of like I don't know, like it's got kind of almost golf course, country club kind of feel in here. It's really cool. It's also got some nice coffee in there, some free water also. There's some nice water with lemon in it. That's pretty cool. You've got areas to sit here, so this is all good. And then you've got a lot of other areas here that are pretty cool too. So a conference room, pods. So these are office spaces that you can scribe into and go into there. And then we keep going past this, and there's a fitness center. And I believe it is just right on the other side of this. Yep, right there. So we're gonna explore a couple of these in detail. We're gonna see the pool in detail, and then we'll go from there. So if you have questions anytime about anything you're seeing, send me a text, just use the number below. And if you wanna set up a virtual live tour or physical live tour at any time, that's free, part of our service. Send me a text and I'll take care of that for you as well.